Hi, welcome to Hardware Info, and I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on ACER X6E Connect Wi-Fi router. So guys, if you don't know how to open this panel, this is Acer Admin panel. So the easiest way is just to enter this IP address on your web browser. If it doesn't work, if it's not work, you can watch my video about how to open Acer Admin panel on Acer Connect X6E always. And in this video I showed every issue you can find out on your way to open this admin panel and how to fix it. Okay, so then just open system, then find firmware update and click check new. If the new firmware is available, you will see this message: your Acer Connect has new firmware available. So click download. Wait a while. Maybe I will even not speed up this video. Yeah, it was too fast. And now update will take about 4 minutes. You have information about it. The device will restart when update is complete. So now click update, and I will just speed up this video. You can find out the real time here on the right bottom corner of my screen. That's it, or what? No, as you can see, I can't log in right now. It's just because my router is in the updating process. So after for about 4 minutes, I will back to you. So guys, in my case, after 2 minutes, after only 2 minutes, my router is available to open admin panel again, but it can depend it can depend of maybe weight of the update, and maybe in my case it was minor update, but in your case it can take over than 5 minutes sometimes. But if update takes more than 10 minutes, it means that something get bad. Okay, so then enter SIM pin if you have enabled to require SIM pin option, and cool, that's it. Now we have new firmware update. Thanks for watching. Like this video and check out video how to update 5G network model on this device. See you.